Top Bananas here. No, not me. This 1973 Dodge Challenger Rallye in top banana yellow has its number matching 340 high performance motor, number matching pistol grip 4-speed, and has a 355 sure grip in the back. Nice, clean, solid, good looking Dodge Challenger. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, study the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find the price tag on every car we have for sale, along with the monthly finance option as well, to make it real easy for you. That's at volocars.com. Now, if you get real excited about a car, we also have a Buy It Now button on our website. You click that button, and that just locks it up for you until you have a chance to talk to the salesman. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Very nice car. It's not a rotisserie $100,000 car, but it is really very nice. Underneath is very clean, all nice metal. The floors, the frame rails, the rockers, it's all metal, painted black. That's real good. Mechanically, it's like they maintained it as needed. The ball joints, some steering components, the front shocks and springs, that all looks pretty fresh. The rear springs look clean. That's always hard to tell by looking at them. Shocks are recent. Fuel tank was replaced. I think the fuel line as well. Has disc brakes up front, drum and back. E-brake assembly is all hooked up. Fairly new dual exhaust system with a crossover pipe. Has the square tips coming through the valance there. So all the components look to be proper and good working order. All of our cars do go through an inspection. They lubed the front ball joints or bushings or something like that. It was making a squeaky noise. But everything else checked out really good under the car. So let's check out the body. I mean, this is a good looking car. The lines, the spoilers, the strobe stripe, it's a good looking car. Now, in 1973, the Rallye was the RT. The RT was no longer. This was their high performance car of that year. So like I said, let's check out the body. So it has their power bulge hood, lines up real square, all in great shape. It's got the scoops, tops of the fenders real straight. All straight, lines up really good actually. Side of the car's real straight. Yeah, even when I bought this one, I was impressed with the body. All clean and straight, smooth down here. There's no bubbles, no bumps. It's all nice, smooth, clean metal. Shuts real nice. The roof is excellent, no vinyl top. I think I like that too. It's all yellow, it's sporty. There's a hairline crack right here that just so many of them get. It's just a stress point. It's just one hairline. This is all clean. This body line is real nice, clean down to the bottom. All lining up really good, square. Nice looking body, real straight. This side looks real good. There's no crack on this side. All clean, smooth, nice body line. Yeah, it's all nice. Has the painted sport mirrors on both sides. Couple tiny bumps. I mean, a couple just little tiny bumps right down there in the corner of the door. The paint, top banana yellow. Very smooth, glossy finish. I mean, you're at any car show or anywhere you take it, people are going to think it's just, stunning. If you want to get up close and do this, you might find a few insignificant flaws, like there's a chip on the inside edge of the hood right there. But overall, the paint is really sharp looking. Now, this would be a decal on here, and they got it on just right. There's no bubbles or wrinkles. Little bit of typical wear from doing this on those hood pins. Headlight bezels look new. The bumper looks like a 9 out of 10. The grille is real nice. Has a front chin spoilers. Has the silver behind the bumper. Front end of the car looks really good. Lenses look new. Trim is nice and shiny. Part of the Rallye package was the, whatever you want to call this piece here, and then the strobe stripes, which I think is cool. part of the Rallye was also a performance suspension, which this has. Windshield's crystal clear like new. The moldings look good, but there's like some dimples right here. There's a dimple up there. So they're not perfect, but they look real good. You got the pop-up racing gas cap, very good shape. You got the dovetail spoiler in the back. Tail panels blacked out. That's part of the package. Bumper looks real nice. I think in '73 they had big ugly bumper guards as part of regulations at that time. They've been taken off, which looks better. Back windows original, does have some light, typical scratches. 15-inch they look like. Yep, 15-inch Rallye wheels. They're probably new reproduction. They all look new. BF Goodrich tires are in excellent shape. So really good looking car on the outside. Let's see the inside. All right, let's look inside the trunk. I can tell you it's clean and complete. This is painted nicely. Here's a little mark that probably rub off. The sticker's a little worn out there, but it's painted nicely. The weather strip is nice and soft. And all solid metal. It has a gray and white spatter finish. BF Goodrich tire looks like new with a painted rim. And it has the jack assembly all nice and clean over there. The trunk mat is a little worn. It's not torn up or anything, but it's a little worn. So you have a nice, clean, and complete trunk compartment. This is a good-looking car. I'm really liking it. You don't have to spend $100 to get a cool muscle car. So the door jambs are real nice. Weather strips are replaced. The sill plates are real shiny. You get up by the door hinges in that. It's painted yellow, but it's not detailed. So these dash pads are known to crack and split. This looks to be in really nice shape. There might have been a repair. It's just raised up a little bit, but boy, they did a great job if they fixed it. This has the Rallye dash. A little bit of the wood grain is worn. It has the full gauges. There's a tachometer behind there. They've put a newer one in front of it. The clock is working. Has a CD stereo, but all this is in real nice shape. Got some owner's manuals. 4-speed cars come with this reverse light. When you put it in reverse, it's supposed to light up. Challenger floor mats. Nice carpet. The console's exceptionally nice. I don't know if it's reproduction, but it's really nice. Right here, folks, that's the best part. Pistol grip 4-speed. When I seen that in this car, it's like I knew I was buying it. So the seats feel real good. The cushions are real nice. They've been reupholstered front and back. You got Challenger mats in the back. You got all the seat belts. The side panels, door panels, all that's real nice. The rear speaker shelf's real nice. Headliner was replaced and fits real good. Dome light works. You got shoulder belts. You got visors. The mirror looks good. Correct steering wheel's not worn hardly at all. So really a very nice interior. So it is right in the VIN number that this is a real 340 high-performance engine car. And that's what we got here. It's dated 1973, and the VIN number is stamped down by the oil pan, and we have a picture of that on our website. And I can tell you, this thing's built. You'll hear it run here in a few minutes. 340, it's got a hot cam, it's got an Edelbrock high-rise, a dual-feed Holley carb, electronic ignition with a MSD rev limiter, set of headers, but they kept it kind of looking stock with the air cleaner and the valve covers. The alternator looks like new. The squirters are hooked up to the washer bottle. The radiator, the cap, the shroud, the clutch fan, all that looks real nice. Features power steering and power brakes. Two nice options, make it comfortable to drive. And you can see the whole engine bay is nice, clean metal, painted yellow. The VIN number stamped on the core support matches. The VIN number on the cowl matches the car. Now at some point someone removed the fender tag. We don't have that. They do make reproduction tags. I think they're, I don't know, $200-300 for a reproduction tag. But very clean motor compartment. I'm going to tell you right now, that's got to be a spunky old 340. I love the idle, revs right up. I've started this car twice, and each time I just touch the key and boom, fires right up. That reverse light on the dash we talked about, that's working. So yeah, this is a very nice car. It's affordable. It's just good looking. The stripes, the hood, the spoilers, the color, the no vinyl top, the Rallye wheels, the stance, the pistol grip. That's matching numbers. You got a nice car here. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman about your questions, including how do you get it home. They'll help with that and financing if you need it. That's all at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one posted. And I think we've been averaging a couple of days, so you're going to want to do that. Thanks for watching.